Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. In today's video, I'll show how to set charging animation on your iPhone. By default, when we plugged in charger, our iPhone has no charging animation. Now, if you set these settings, your iPhone shows charging animation when you plug in charger. For set these settings, you need shortcut app and charging play app. Both apps are you find on App Store. Open App Store and search shortcut. Install it and search on App Store charging play. Install it. Now open your shortcut app, click on automation, click on personal automation, create personal automation, swipe down and select charger option. Now select is connected option and click on next. Click on add action, click on scripting, click on open app. Now click on choose, then you see here many apps. Click on charging play. Now click on play icon. You can also replace charging animation from here. If you want to add another animation, click on it, click on animated sound turn off, then setup. First time if you set these settings, you see look at the advertisement, click on it.
এতক্ষণ থাকার জন্য এখন একটু চলবো। ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। আসাদ ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। গাইস ঈদ মোবারক। আসাদ কেমন আছো ভাইয়া? যাক গাইস আমি আপাতত চলে যাচ্ছি। সবাই সাবধানে থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন, ভালো থাকবেন। সবাই
Then click on next. Click on ask before earning. Click on don't ask. Click on done. Okay. Now connect your charger and you see animation will show. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for more videos and stay with Apple Info.